unseen forces stir, and in the heart of a humble village a story begins to unfold. A tale of imagination, creativity, and the remarkable power of a magic paintbrush. Once upon a time, in a small, unassuming village in China, lived an impoverished but incredibly talented young boy named Ma Liang. His passion for drawing was as immense as his heart, despite his lack of resources. He drew with sticks in the sand, with charcoal on walls, and even with his fingers in the dust. There was no canvas too unconventional for his artistry. One night, as Ma Liang slept, an old man appeared in his dreams. Touched by the boy's passion and persistence, the old man gifted him a magical paintbrush. "Use it wisely," he cautioned, "for whatever you paint with this brush will come to life." Awakening to find the dream wasn't a dream at all, Ma Liang discovered the magic paintbrush beside him. He began to paint, and to his astonishment, the images he created sprang to life. He painted birds, and they took flight. He painted fish, and they began to swim. The magic of the brush was real. With the magic paintbrush, Ma Liang did not seek personal riches or power. Instead, he painted to help his fellow villagers. He painted rice fields that yielded abundant crops and wells that never ran dry. Word of his miracles spread far and wide, reaching the ears of a greedy emperor. The emperor, lured by the power of the magic paintbrush, commanded Ma Liang to his palace. He demanded the boy paint him a mountain of gold and a forest of money trees. Ma Liang, knowing the emperor's intentions, cleverly painted an ocean around the emperor's treasure. As the emperor reached out to touch his new wealth, the ocean sprang to life, trapping the emperor on a small island, teaching him a lesson about greed. Ma Liang returned to his village, his paintbrush untouched by the emperor's greed. He continued to paint, to create, to bring joy and prosperity to his people. And the magic paintbrush, under the wise and kind guidance of Ma Liang, brought life and vitality to the humble village. In the story of the magic paintbrush, we find a tale as vibrant as the colors Ma Liang used to paint his world. It's a story that teaches us the power of creativity and the importance of using our talents to benefit others. It reminds us that greed can lead to one's downfall, while kindness and wisdom can create miracles. The magic paintbrush is a testament to the transformative power of art and the profound impact a single, kind-hearted individual can have on their community. It's a timeless story, an eternal reminder that true magic lies not in objects, but within the hearts of those who use their gifts for the greater good. So, as we journey onwards, let the story of Ma Liang and his magic paintbrush inspire us. May we use our talents wisely, create with kindness, and remember that the most powerful magic is that which we bring to life in the world around us.